Hello, I'm Noel Capon. This is chapter 6 in your marketing textbook, and here we focus on marketing research. Now, marketing research is a huge topic, and in this chapter we can do little more than just scratch the surface. But if you're interested in the topic, you may want to go on and take an advanced course in marketing research, where you'll find many fine textbooks that get into much more detail than we can in this chapter. In this chapter, you'll learn that there is much more about marketing research than just going out, collecting data, and doing your analysis. Right up front, you have to have a very good idea of what the business issue is. That will lead you to a problem statement, following which you'll develop a set of hypotheses and objectives for your study. You must do all of this before you start actually collecting data. In fact, what you will do is probably collect some preliminary data and then lay out a research plan for your study. In the chapter, we'll talk about various types of marketing research. We'll talk about qualitative research and quantitative research, primary research and secondary research, and talk about the pros and cons of each of these types of marketing research. Later in the chapter, we'll move to the topic of forecasting and potentials. Specifically, we'll talk about market potential and market forecast, and sales potential and sales forecast. We'll spend most time focusing on forecasting market size and the sales forecast. Now remember, the idea is not to turn you into marketing researchers. But what we do try to do in this chapter is turn you into good consumers of marketing research. So you will be able to work with your marketing research colleagues to design your research studies effectively, and then when they're completed, be able to cast a critical eye on the results that the marketing researchers come up with. Good luck. For those of you that are more quantitatively inclined, we include an appendix. In the appendix, we discuss some of the analytic methods that marketing researchers use. We spend some time on fairly simple single variable and bivariable analyses, but then also move into discussing a series of more complex multivariable analyses which the marketing researcher has at their disposal. In this category, we look at, for example, regression analysis and discriminant analysis. We look at conjoint analysis and multidimensional scaling, and factor analysis and cluster analysis. Each of these techniques has specific applications, and depending on the particular research problem you're addressing, one or more of these might give you valuable insight. Good luck.